Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4745. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Now unlike other older Epson printers, you can't just lift the lid of the printer and whip the cartridges out. You need to indicate to the printer that you're looking to change the inks, which you can do using the touchscreen here. So I'm going to drag this along and press to go into maintenance. An ink cartridge replacement is the fourth option down. Press in there, press to start, and then we need to get to access the cartridges themselves. So we need to go in below the scanner bed, which you can see here. Directly underneath there's a recess on either side, which you can hopefully see. So just get our fingers in there, lift firmly. And with the lid up, you'll see the printer has already moved the ink cartridge cradle into the correct position. And you can tell it's there because it's stopped where this bit of plastic is cut out from the rest of them. And to remove the cartridges, you just press down on these little tabs you can see in the back of the cartridges. Whether they're compatible or originals, they should all have them. Take out your cartridge, grab your replacement, and ensure you've removed any protective packaging that is on there. You'll quite often have like a pull tab, which needs to be taken off. It breaks a vacuum within the cartridge. You do not need to worry about the film on the bottom of the cartridge. That gets pierced automatically as it goes into the printer. In fact, taking that off is more likely to cause problems than anything else. Now I'm going to pop the same cartridge back in, but you've presumably got a fresh one. Press down until it clicks, and as long as it's sat flush with the rest of the cartridges, you know it's in there correctly. Now with that done, we just lower the lid of the printer again and head on back to the screen. If, like me, you're using non-genuine Epson cartridges, you will be warned of this, but all you need to do is just press OK to get past it. A couple warnings, but nothing too devious. If, however, your printer is struggling to recognize the chips on the cartridges, you can try reinstalling and going through the process again. If not, just contact whoever you purchased them from. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If it's been helpful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.